probably lame to tell how spiritual happening this was, but it was.
This is the last place you'd expect to find a world-touring rock star. Two worlds collide, creating a unique experience.
That's a bigger one, wow. I don't want to be sad, but how do you want to be remembered?
It was this big.
This is rock and roll.
That is rock and roll.
Cool.
So, yeah, this was one of a kind.
On this celebrity reality show, viewers will enjoy a special moment with their favorite rock star, more intimately and honestly than ever before.
It's great to have the moment to feel the nature that you can't do anything, to change it. It is what it is, and you are there at the mercy of the nature. It didn't work out at first at all. It was terrible, and then I was so clumsy that I was pretty ashamed of myself. That oh no, this is going wrong all the time.
Now I got a fish.
The first one was like this big, next one was this big, and the last one was huge. The beauty and essence of this whole experience was to let these pikes go back. It's like a surreal feeling to get it and then, just say hello and then put it back to the sea. That's really beautiful, and that's great.
This is the show that goes deeper than any interview.
You have to find your way out from the industry, which can drive you into that situation that you have sacrificed all your life into entertainment.
On this show, the loudest rock stars are scooped off the largest stages and dropped into a wild, open arena. Just imagine getting to know your favorite world-class rock idols better as they grab the rod with us. This is the Gone Fishing Experience, the hardest rocking fishing show.